Everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. Now today I'm going to take you back in the past. I'm going to take you back to the 60s, 70s, and 80s. And this is phenomenal. Now this is a cold dip. It's not a hot dip. This is a cold dip. And it's very versatile. And it's very, very good. Now how many of you remember sour cream and Lipton onion dip? This makes the perfect French onion dip, and it really does. You can use this on potato chips, which is what I have displayed here, and it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect for a vegetable tray, and it's phenomenal for the holidays. It really is. So if you have like carrots, celery, broccoli, cauliflower, that type of stuff, it is so versatile and it's so good. And even those little cherry tomatoes, that is the bomb. It really is. This dip is a blast from the past. So today we're going to make this dip because there's so many Christmas parties, New Year's Eve parties, and this is a dip that everybody will like. So today we are going to take one package of Lipton Onion Recipe Secrets soup mix, and we're going to put it into sour cream. Now I use Daisy for this, but if you want to, you can use whichever brand you like, whichever one's on sale. But this is definitely one of the best dips that you will have for the holidays. And like I said, it's very versatile with chips and also vegetables. You cannot go wrong with this one. So today we're going to make this. Okay everyone, now you guys can see I've got my dill pickled right there. Now this dip will be perfect with the dill pickle. It'll give it that extra little oomph that it needs. You can use it on broccoli, you can use it on a carrot stick, you can use it on celery, you can use it on, what else, Mom?
Oh, broccoli, just, a number of vegetables. But it is, like I said, a blast from the past. I've used this over the years and have great success with it. And there's a lot of dips out there that are good, hot and cold. But this is one of my classics that I always go to because, like I said, Christmas party, New Year's party, the big Super Bowl coming up, it's endless. And it goes far beyond parties, even just on a weekend night.
Yes, and it goes good with wings. So you cannot go wrong with this. Like I said, it's a very versatile dip. So today we're going to bring the past on in. And this is going to be fun to make because it's not a lot to do.
Hey, don't knock the past. Sometimes the past is where you need to go.
Yeah, that's true. But anyways, today, this has to sit overnight. Now, I will say that. This has to sit overnight because it tastes, you got to give it the onions, the onion mix to mix with the sour cream.
Yeah.
And you'll taste that flavor the following day, and it's very, very good. I have my little bowl right here, okay? So we're going to use a bowl, but do not throw this container out. And the reason why I say that is because we're going to mix this and we're going to put it back into the container. So this is,
put it into the fridge.
And put it into the fridge,
yeah.
And it will be ready for tomorrow morning or whenever you're going to serve, for your party. And so we're going to keep the sour cream, the French onion dip in this container. So you definitely want to keep this.
Well, we have people coming tomorrow, so what I'm going to do is, it's late in the afternoon here, and we're going to make this up, we're going to put it back into the container, we're going to refrigerate it, and then tomorrow when I pull it out, when my company comes, we're ready.
Yes, we're ready to go, and we're ready to serve. So anyways, like I said, it's very, very simple how my mom's going to do this. I'm going to let her take the wheel and show you guys. Done is I've taken the sour cream out of the container and I put it into this bowl, and all you're going to do is just take one onion soup and dip mix.
There you go.
Right here. All you do is just take one and you just pour it in like this, and see how it has those dehydrated onions, and that's what my mom was talking about. You want to let that set so that way tomorrow when you have it, it'll be really good. I'm gently folding that. See how I'm just gently folding that? And then you're just going to keep on mixing it up till it's well blended. Now see how I've got this well mixed up? Look at that. All you do is just mix it up really, really good. You guys will absolutely love this, trust me. This is so good with like carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, all the vegetables on this dip.
Oh, don't forget the almighty chips and pretzels.
Yes, Now, I'm going to take a little sample. I have my little sample spoon right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it in like this, okay, just a little. Okay, and I'm going to go off to the side.
How do you like it?
Oh my God, that's so good.
It is. It is real. It's a classic.
It is a classic, and it is so good.
And it's so simple. French's onion soup by Lipton, and one of your choices of sour cream.
Yeah, and like I said, this is a dip, and you can make this with vegetables. You can put this with potato chips, pretzels, you name it, and it's really good even with wings or anything.
Oh, I've used it with baked potato. You know how you have sour cream and baked potato?
Yeah, you can even use this on a baked potato.
Try this on a baked potato with butter.
All right, everyone, and it's day 2 of our dip, because remember we made the dip yesterday, our French onion dip for our Christmas party and New Year's party, football game, you name it. This is a blast from the past. Remember, I told you this is a blast from the past. Now, we put this back into the sour cream daisy and container. And look how good that looks. And look how good it's set. See that?
And that's the hydrated onions that I was telling you about yesterday. Everything is formed up. Now we're ready to,
Now we're going to put a little bit in that bowl right here. Mom, show them that bowl. We're going to put some in this bowl right here, and we're going to put it in the middle of the plate because, like I said, you can have this for vegetables, or you can just have this for potato chips. Now, you can also use this for wings. If you want to dip French onion into wings, you could do that as well.
You can do that.
All right, now what I've done is we put a little bit of the dip. See that right there? We put a little bit of the dip in the bowl. And so this is our vegetable platter, as you can see. And then it's also, you could use this for potato chips. Now, my mom loves dill pickle. So she was determined to put her dill pickle in there. What I have here is I have a little sample for me. And I'm going to sample this for you guys. Now I'm going to reach in here and grab me a pepper, because I love peppers. And I got my little sample right here. And I'm going to put this on. Look at that. There it goes. Oh my God.
They're still as good as back in the 70s, aren't they?
Oh yeah. This is so good, you guys. Now, it's only 2 ingredients. It's just sour cream, and it's just Lipton's onion soup and dip mix. And you just use 1 package. That's all you need. And it is so flavorful. I mean, on a scale from 10 to 10, it is a 10 plus, 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 plus. I mean, it really is good. And I wouldn't tell you if it wasn't. I want to thank everyone for watching our video today. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell so that way every time I come on, you know. And if you're watching this video for the first time, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Please click the subscribe button. Again, thank you for watching our video. Happy holidays from my mom and I from the Quick and Easy team. And be safe out there. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.